positioning might be ideal, however decent, outdated and is looking pretty darn sweet right at this point. Samsung on Tuesday reported the Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus, two telephones in its mid-range A lineup. Regardless of being less expensive than their more seasoned, top-of-the-line kin, the Galaxy S8 and Note 8, the new A telephones have a bundle of premium touches. For one, they're the principal telephones from Samsung to have double cameras on the front. Samsung consolidates a 16-megapixel shooter with the 8-megapixel one, giving you a chance to shoot bokeh-style photographs front-on. Notwithstanding, that means the 16MP camera on the back is running solo. The telephones additionally take the Infinity Display plan from the S8 and Note 8 gadgets, which means you get more screen and less bezel. The A8 rocks a 5.6-inch show, while the A8 Plus comes in at 6 inches. Both are 1080 by 2,220 pixel Super AMOLED shows, not as fresh as the 2960 by 1,440 pixel resolutions on the S8 and Note 8, yet at the same time Full HD. It's not simply great looks, the new A8 telephones bolster NFC, which implies Samsung Pay and Android Pay are perfect, and it has an IP68 rating, influencing it to tidy and water safe. Not all things are super premium. The telephones keep running on Android 7.1.1. Nougat, not the Android 8.0 Oreo working arrangement of other new telephones. Key specs: 5.6-inch/6-inch, 1080 by 2,220 pixel shows. Octa-Center Exynos processor, double 2.2 GHz plus Hexa 1.6 GHz. 4G RAM, choice for 6 GB in A8 Plus. 32/64 of a gigabyte